Roofing company in Fells Point, Baltimore. Roofing company near me in Fells Point. Reliable roof repairs in Baltimore, Maryland. Types of roofing repair in Fells Point in Baltimore, Maryland. Flat roof repair in Fells Point. Benefits of torch-down roofing systems. Metal roof repair in Fells Point. How much does roof repair cost in Baltimore? How to get the best roof repair company in Baltimore. Commercial roofing services in Fells Point. Five signs of roof damage you might have missed. Benefits of torch-down roofing systems. Benefits of rubber roofing systems. What to do when you get a roof leak in Baltimore.